शो एक समय था हमारे रिलेशनशिप में जहाँ पे आई यूज टू रियली ड्रेड कमिंग होम. इट वॉज लाइक कि मैं घर पे क्यों जाऊं, बिकॉज मुझे वही बातें सुनने मिलेगी, वही रोना धोना होगा, वही कोई सोल्यूशन तो होगा नहीं, वही रिपीट में हम बातें करेंगे, वही लूप में हम बातें करेंगे. दिस टाइम वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि एम आई डूइंग समथिंग राइट, एम आई डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, एम आई इवन going to make this marriage work, because it was like a very very problematic situation which I think most of the relationships go through, and we also went through it. So I wanted to understand that what according to you was that phase and how did you solve that?
I think that phase was me just trying to change you, change our situation, change our marriage to have something better. To have a version of it that was not so miserable between you and me.
Okay.
So I guess that is what we are talking about today.
So in this episode we are going to discuss about, most of the time we focus that कि अगर हमारा पार्टनर चेंज हो जाएगा तो हमारी रिलेशनशिप बेटर हो जाएगी, एंड वी ओनली एंड ओनली फोकस ऑन दैट कि मेरा पार्टनर चेंज हो जाए तो हमारी शादी एकदम स्पीड में भागने लग जाएगी. दैट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली हाउ द मैरिज वर्क. टुडे इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड Shoki, you are going to tell us that how did you work and how did you manage to be a better partner. So welcome to another episode of Happily Whatever After. So yes, Sho, can you tell me that what were the few things that used to happen before and what made you change the perspective?
What was happening at the start of our marriage was that every single day I was realizing how much my life has changed.
Yeah.
And how little your life has changed. And I know I signed up for it. But when it was actually happening, I just kept questioning that मैंने ये डिसीजन क्यों लिया
Okay.
तुमसे शादी करने का, जब मुझे पता था कि इतना सब कुछ बदलने वाला है. तो मैं अपने आप को भी कोस रही थी, और मैं कहीं ना कहीं ये चाह रही थी कि चलो इतना सब कुछ में मैं नाखुश हूँ और इतने प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं और मेरी फ्रीडम चली गई है, एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी सो इंडिपेंडेंट, नाउ आई हैव टू बी कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग कि ये बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं, यहाँ पे बैठना चाहिए कि नहीं, ये पहनना चाहिए कि नहीं, टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. आई केम टू दैट पॉइंट वेयर आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू आस्क यू टू चेंज फॉर मी एज वेल. आई वॉन्टेड टू have that understanding that yes, if my other parts of life are going bad because of in-laws or living with your parents and stuff like that, at least you are being who you used to be. At least you are who I imagined to be. At least somewhere I wanted that reassurance that I married the right person.
Yeah.
I know I married the right person, but you and I were both very different after marriage.
Correct.
Suddenly we went from being a girlfriend boyfriend to best friends to just strangers living under the same roof, because we were always being watched. There was always a third party in our vicinity.
Triangle, or you can say.
Yeah, there was a triangle going on. So हम दोनों ही अपने कदम फूक के रख रहे थे, in a sense. So I think I was missing that intimacy, and I was trying to run after you with that emotional intimacy, that give me that. When you were not giving me, your reasons were also because you were also dealing with so much, and you were trying to prove to your mom that oh, I have not changed after marriage, and you were trying to prove to your friends कि नहीं सब कुछ सही है, no stress, type thing. You were also appearing as if a stranger to me, कि तुम इतने दूर हो मुझसे, तो मैं तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे भाग रही थी, और जब मैं तुम्हारे पीछे पीछे भाग रही थी तो तुमको ऐसा लग रहा था कि this is what she signed up for, why is she so unhappy now?
Yeah, I think that is the biggest question that I had. So another question which pops into my head is that yes, you signed up for, but then the whole situation that occurred at that point of time was that कि you were so adamant on changing me, and you were like कि नहीं, अगर ये change नहीं होगा तो ये शादी नहीं चल पाएगी.
Yeah.
And you were also in that phase where you were already thinking that कि okay, if this is not working for me, you started thinking the other way around, that let's not focus on this relationship and start taking a new route. I remember that you also said me that कि Karan, if you are not able to manage this, I will move out of this house, which was my parents' house.
Yeah.
You live with your parents, and then we will have a relationship. But then that thought was not even close to me in my head. Then how did you change that? Because that is something which was most of the women in the society also go through. So how did you find those answers?
I didn't change it.
Yeah.
I moved out with you.
Yeah, but then what happened after that also was something that we were not able to manage our relationship. We were not able to have an emotionally, you can say, mature relationship.
Yeah.
We were struggling. We were doing a lot of things.
So
we moved out. That was a decision. Yes, you are right. We moved out. बट यू नो मूव आउट करने के बाद भी एक बहुत बड़ा फेज था जहां पे हम दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग थे. वी ट्राइड एंड अगेन दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू टोल्ड मी दैट आई एम रेडी टू मूव आउट. बट आफ्टर वी बोथ आल्सो मूविंग आउट एंड स्टार्ट टू बिल्ड आवर ओन लाइफ, देयर वर टाइम दैट यू टोल्ड कि करण ये ना हो पाई.
Yes.
Correct.
So I think that was because हम सब लोग ना, like whether it's a man or a woman, I believe, हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि जिस दिन हमारी शादी होगी ना, उसके बाद से एक नई लाइफ शुरू होगी. So it's like it's literally divided like that कि before marriage, after marriage. Right? तो मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि आफ्टर मैरिज माई लाइफ शुड हैव अपग्रेडेड, बट इट डिग्रेडेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ जजमेंट ऑन मी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर वाज जीरो अप्रिसिएशन फॉर हु आई वाज, व्हाट आई वाज. आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वैलिडेशन और अप्रूवल फ्रॉम योर फैमिली. सो आई वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग फॉर दैट एंड फेलिंग एट इट. एंड व्हेन आई वाज फेलिंग एट इट, आई वाज ब्लेमिंग यू.
Correct.
दैट तुम्हारी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है. एंड आई वाज होपिंग दैट यू विल समहाउ फिक्स इट.
Correct.
But you were also like unaware कि मैं इसको कैसे ठीक करूँ. Right? So what was happening is in my mind I was constantly thinking कि ये गलत हो गया, गलत हो गया, गलत हो गया, गलत हो गया. अभी मेरे को उसको चेंज कर. तो मैं वो चेंज कैसे करूंगी? मैं वो चेंज तब करूंगी जब तुम फुल्ली अपनी चीजें चेंज कर दोगे मेरे लिए, या तुम उस पॉइंट पे चले जाओगे जहाँ पे तुमको समझ आ जाएगा कि शोकी को ये चाहिए तो मैं ये कर देता हूँ, तो एवरीथिंग विल बी सॉर्टेड. इन ऑल ऑफ दिस द बिगर थिंग दैट वाज एट प्ले वाज आई वाज जजिंग माई सेल्फ.
Correct.
That I took a wrong decision in coming into this house, in getting judged, in minimizing myself, in minimizing my life, in creating a bigger struggle for myself by getting married. So when you judge yourself so hard, you try to fix everything here onwards.
Correct.
कि अब मैं कदम ऐसे फूक के रखूंगी ना कि कोई गलती ना हो. अब ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना, we are all humans. तो कोई गलती ना हो, ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा. गलती तो होगी, बट उस गलती को बचाने के चक्कर में I was controlling every single part of my life.
Correct.
I was just constantly blaming you. From that blame, there was a deep unhappiness inside me. I was chasing you for emotional connection, but because you used to feel blamed at all points of time, you could not give me that emotional connection.
Correct.
So when you didn't give me that emotional connection, I used to feel like कि ये तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है, मेरे कंट्रोल से चीजें बाहर जा रही है, ये तो चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा, ये तो चेंज हो गया है गलत तरीके से.
Correct. Correct.
कि शादी के पहले मेरा जितना कनेक्शन था अब तो उतना भी नहीं रह गया है.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
So this loop used to play out between you and me. That I used to judge myself that what did I land into. Then I used to try hard कि मेरे को डूबते को तिनके का सहारा मिल जाए तुम्हारे through. When I used to come to you and talk to you, I used to talk with a lot of blame and shame.
Correct.
Which used to shut you down. Then my complaint used to be कि तुम तो इमोशनली कनेक्ट ही नहीं करते मुझसे, तुम तो इमोशनली अवेलेबल ही नहीं हो, तुम तो बात ही नहीं करते, तुम कुछ करते ही नहीं हो. Which used to again make you feel like blamed and shamed.
Correct.
So you used to run away कि काय का इमोशनल कनेक्शन, मेरे अंदर फीलिंग ही नहीं आ रही है, मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेंशन में हूँ, तो मैं कौन सा तुमसे कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगा. एंड द मोर यू यूज्ड टू रन अवे, द मोर लोनली आई वाज. तो व्हाट वाज आई डूइंग इन ऑल ऑफ दिस? आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फोकस ऑन वन थिंग कि बस अब ये सिचुएशन जो है और मेरा पार्टनर जो है अगर वो चेंज हो जाए तो सब कुछ सही हो जाए. बट व्हाट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू फॉर माई सेल्फ इज टू एक्सेप्ट दैट ओके दिस हैज हैपेंड, आई हैव टेकन दिस लाइफ डिसीजन.
Correct.
Now what can I do to change it? Not what can I do to control it from going forward.
What was that realization is what I want to ask. Like तुमने अभी बता दिया कि ये process होता है, right? कि you were trying to push me and the more you wanted me to come closer to you, it was like reverse कि मैं और push होते जा रहा था because it was like मुझे पता था but the kind of feelings that I used to get at that point of time was that I'm not good enough. But then slowly and steadily I saw that you started doing some things with your own self. You also started understanding that कि मेरे को pressure डाल के हमेशा वही repeat कर करके चीजें होने वाली नहीं है. What made you think that कि you need to change your own self? How did you come to that realization? And is there any thought process that you would like to share with our viewers so that they can seek help from us? And if you are struggling with anything like this, we are available with one-on-one sessions. You can book a call with Shoki, you can book a call with me so that we can help you and empower you with tools that we have used in our relationship, we have used to make this relationship a successful journey for us.
Yes.
And these are the tools which will be for lifelong. So we will help you with that. You can book a session. The link is mentioned in the description below.
I felt like I couldn't recognize myself anymore. I felt like this crazy person who was just constantly on guard कि when I'm talking to your family, I'm thinking कि मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये चीज कहीं यूज तो नहीं हो जाएगी गलत तरीके से, मेरे अगेंस्ट कुछ बोला तो नहीं जाएगा इसके बाद फिर. So I was constantly on my toes, constantly on my guards. With you, I was trying to prove कि look, I am here.
Correct.
Look at me, see me, hear me. I was trying to prove to you that look, I can make a house with you, even though we are away from the family.
Absolutely.
But I used to constantly receive this cold treatment from you. So at some point of time, I got so exhausted. I used to feel so broken inside कि मैं क्या हो गई हूँ, मैं कौन हो गई हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे जॉब में भी मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रही थी, मेरी सारी क्रिएटिविटी भी ब्लॉक हो गई थी. So I literally got pushed to a corner where I had no one. And at that point of time, I think it was like, you know, बोलते हैं कि it's the darkest before the dawn. वैसा वाला पार्ट कि where I realized कि छोड़ो यार, किसी और को कुछ पड़ी नहीं है, मुझे अपनी पड़ी है. तो I started to take stock of my own situations, things that I could change for myself. So I started to put less pressure on me to keep performing for everyone.
Correct.
To keep performing for you as the good wife, to keep performing for the family as the good bahu. I think I let go of the label and the burden of doing the right thing at all points.
So you basically just stopped getting judged by everyone and you started doing what is supposed to be done.
I think I stopped judging myself.
Okay.
That was the first step. When I stopped judging myself, automatically मुझे किसी और के judgment से फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, क्योंकि मैं खुद को ये बोल चुकी थी ना कि कुछ भी हो जाए, तेरे ऊपर कुछ नहीं आ रहा, छोड़ दे तू, मत कर, कोई बात नहीं. If you are unhappy doing something and that unhappiness is bit by bit coming out on every way in your life, in your job, in your health, in your relationship, in your love. Coming back to what I was saying, I couldn't recognize myself.
Correct.
I didn't used to feel like dressing up. I didn't used to feel like going out. I didn't used to, like, I used to go out with my friends. I didn't have much to talk about except for the same sasbahu nautanki that was going on. So I was literally feeling like कि क्या हो गई हूँ मैं. I had become one of those bahus जो Star Plus के सीरियल में मैं लिखती थी. And I didn't want that to happen.
Correct.
So at that point of time when I stopped judging myself, it was kind of a release.
Correct.
For me. That okay, I don't care. अगर ये relationship नहीं भी हो पा रहा है मुझसे, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी.
Correct.
It's okay. I know it was sad time for us कि मैंने ऐसा सोचा और तुमको वापस से बोला कि ये नहीं हो पा रहा है. But the more I took away the pressure of trying to make the relationship work and started focusing on myself and doing my own things, the more I think I automatically created a space for you. I don't know.
Interesting.
You'll be able to.
No, I think yes, you are right. That ki when you stop putting that pressure on me, there was a lot of ease that started happening in our relationship. There was this space which got created, and when I talk about space, you know, you also touched base that ki, you know, there was a loop that got created, right? कि तुम मुझे बोलती थी कुछ और मैं तुमको हमेशा एक नेगेटिव आंसर देता, या वो कनेक्ट ही नहीं करता, या मैं तुमको वो इमोशनल अवेलेबिलिटी के साथ मिलता ही नहीं कभी. एंड यू यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज फील दैट कि यू नो आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. यू यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज फील दैट कि यार ये शादी क्या चल पाएगी, क्या मैं अच्छी बहू हूँ, क्या मैं एक अच्छी वाइफ बन पाऊंगी. ऑल ऑफ दोस क्वेश्चंस दैट वाज रनिंग इनटू योर हेड. बट देन व्हेन यू चेंज द पर्सपेक्टिव, व्हेन यू गिव मी द स्पेस, आई थिंक व्हाट वेंट really well was that we started, you know, building our own selves. I also got a little space and I started to understand that okay, these are the few of the emotions that I need to handle well. These are the few emotions that I need to create space for. So for an example, if I have to take an example with that, is that ki you used to always tell me that ki Karan, you know, when you go to office, why don't you hug me? Why don't you give me that emotional attention? Why don't you give me all of those things? What was happening at that point of time was that ki because we had moved out, of the home, I was unable to balance my own emotions. I was unable to balance all of those things. You started giving me that space to heal myself. You started giving me that ki, okay, Karan will come to me when he feel he is right.
Yeah.
You started handling your own emotions. You did not nag me daily कि तू ये नहीं करता, तू वो नहीं करता, तू ये नहीं करता, तू वो नहीं करता. In that, what happened is, you know, there is a charge when you say all of those things to me. There is this, you know, बोलते ना heaviness that comes in, which used to make me
unsafe environment.
Unsafe environment that gets created. And जब तुम मुझे ये बोलती, तो I used to automatically feel that कि oh, I am not good enough. I used to always have this constant shame in my head that कि first of all I have not given, जो society tag देती है ना कि I am not a good son, और you know हम घर छोड़ के आ गए, लोग क्या कहें, वो मेरे दिमाग में constantly चलता. तो जब तुमने मुझे ये space देना चालू करी, तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, ये relationship पे काम करना बहुत better रहेगा, because it does not make any sense, because the love is always there. What I also saw is that कि you were also asking me to build this relationship. It was not that you wanted me to change. I had to change my perspective also somewhere. That give me a space to change my perspective also. It gave me a space that I can look inside you. अब क्या हो रहा था कि तुम मुझे नैग करती रहती थी, तो मुझे लगता था कि तुम पूरी जिंदगी नैग करती रहोगी, मैं कभी चेंज हो ही नहीं पाऊंगा. The day you stopped nagging me, the day you told me that कि Karan, you can be yourself, is when I realized, oh, अब थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है माहौल, क्या मैं इसके ऊपर काम कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं इसके ऊपर एक्शन ले सकता हूँ, क्या मैं अपने शेम जो मुझे गलत लग रहा था उसमें थोड़ा चेंज ला सकता हूँ. Because your charge was charging me and my charge was not letting me do anything. So you know, you can see the loop right now that was happening between both of us.
Yeah, the biggest thing that you guys can realize from this whole change equation was that the moment I started to look within and change things for myself, automatically my relationship changed. Automatically my environment started to change. The moment Karan's family also realized that now whatever we say, she will not react like that. Automatically their
power
got taken away. You know, their control over my emotions, which I was giving to them, was gone. Because I took charge of my own emotions. And it was never that I disrespected them in any way. Yes, I was angry. Yes, I used to keep boiling inside. But I never said it out loud in a bad way to either Karan or his family. I maintained that boundary so that I am never told one fine day कि यार ये तो कैसी बदतमीज लड़की है. तो मेरे दिमाग में I was able to do all of those things because inherently deep down, as per my values, I was right. And at some point of time, I realized कि मैं अपनी values सबके अंदर expect नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
You will have to be with your own self and drive the values.
And if someone else is judging me for my values, it's their point of view. It's not my point of view. So I let it be. And the moment I let it be, I created a safe space for myself to become who I wanted to be. And I created a safe space for Karan to bring himself to the relationship where he would not constantly feel criticized or judged or constantly think that oh my god, आज कौन सी बात पे blast होने वाला है या आज कौन सी पुरानी बात निकल के आने वाली है और हमारे बीच में problems create होने वाली है. Even though वो पुरानी बातें बाद में निकली,
but we solved it amicably.
और हमने उसका solution निकाला, लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं हो गया कि हम लोग सिर्फ constantly पुरानी बातों के बारे में बात करते थे, लड़ाई करते थे, सो जाते थे, फिर बात करते थे, लड़ाई करते थे, सो जाते थे. At least when I started to look within, I started to focus on myself, I stopped that pattern then and there. So I hope
ये एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव आपको मिला होगा to understand that how these dynamics work. It is not always that you change your partner and your relationship work. Sometimes you need to realize that कि हम जो लोगों से मांगते हैं, हम जो लोगों को बोलते हैं, वो अगर हम अपने अंदर चेंज कर लेंगे तो द मैजिक विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग एंड द मिस्ट्रीज दैट यू आर फिगरिंग इट आउट इन योर हेड कि ये सॉल्व कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा, दैट विल स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स इन एनी रिलेशनशिप. सो आई होप वी आर एबल टू गिव यू अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव.
And to find out more about our journey, there is a whole list of episodes right here which will give you step by step what happened in the first few years of our marriage, which created this whole change वाला loop, coming back to just giving you इस कहानी से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है, इस कहानी से हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि change begins at home.
Yes.
Change begins with yourself. Do not try to change your partner constantly, because that will only create a big distance between the two of you. Come to that acceptance that this is my partner, this is the person that I fell in love with. What can we do from here onwards to make our life better? What can we do to create a better journey together? What can I do to change the dynamic that I'm playing with my partner right now? How can I become better? Because ultimately what is in your control is you.
Yes.
Not the rest of the world, not your partner, not your in-laws, nobody else, just you.
Okay guys, thank you so much for listening to us. I hope you have really liked this episode and you have got a new perspective towards your relationship. Please do like, share and subscribe. We are available on all social media platforms. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Tata.
Bye.